While there has been significant progress in developing comprehensive approaches to menstrual hygiene management, the role of men and boys, in supporting menstrual hygiene has been lacking, which makes it a women's issue. Not just that, teaching and learning in schools about periods is also limited to girls, overlooking how in most Indian households decisions regarding the expenditure of money is taken by men in the families, resulting in women's and girls' voices not being heard in the decision making within households, communities and development programs.
हमारे आसपास जो दुकानें हैं उस पे पेड़ तो मिलते हैं लेकिन कम कम दुकानों पे मिलते हैं और पुरुष बैठे रहते हैं, तो महिलाएं दुकान पे जाती ज़रूर है लेकिन दूसरा सामान लेके वापस हो जाती हैं, पेट नहीं ले पाती झिझक के मारे, या कभी कभार कोई लेता भी है तो बहुत पैक करके बहुत छुपा कर उसको लेकर आती हैं।
हमारे गांव में दुकानों पे भी रखने में कुछ लोग शर्माते हैं, जेंट्स वगैरह, तो इससे हमारी दीदियों को और हमारी बच्चियों को भी दिक्कत आती है पैड लेने में या ख़रीदने में। तो यहाँ सेंटर भी कभी कभार बंद रहता है, तो मैं अपने घर पे ही पैड रखती हूँ और बहुत सी दीदियाँ, बहुत सी बच्चियाँ मुझसे ही आकर पैड खरीदती हैं।
So this is why our campaign focuses on men and boys as important stakeholders that will help us ensure in creating a period-friendly environment in schools and communities in rural Bhopal. So to highlight the importance of working with men and boys, challenges in engaging men and boys around gender equitable programs, conversations on menstruation, we are soon collaborating with an amazing organization from Pune, which is Equal Community Foundation, which works with men and boys to change their attitudes and behaviors for a gender equitable world. So we are super excited to share some of their amazing ground stories and experiences. Stay tuned.